Hey folks, Steve here. Hey, the last few times I traveled, I noticed something, and it was people that had been pre-checked by the TSA, Transportation Security Administration, and they were able to bypass these long lines that I was standing in. And man, it's like, what is going on? How are these people bypassing these lines and going into their own separate line? And it was then I discovered that TSA has a program of pre-checks. And while we were standing there waiting, they were going through, and it didn't seem fair at the time, but these people went through and applied for pre-checks, and I thought it was an awesome idea. And if you're a traveler, does a lot of traveling, this might be something that you would be interested in. Right here, I'm on the TSA Precheck page. I'm going to leave links in the description. You can go right to these pages. But it costs. You get a 5-year TSA Precheck for $85. And some of the benefits are with the TSA Pre is you don't have to take off your shoes. You don't need to remove your laptops, liquids, belts, and jackets. In other words, they just kind of zip you through. They pre-check you. They have to do a background check on you, and you'll have to make an appointment to have a 10-minute background check, and you can do most of this online. So once you're at that site, you'll go to this online enrollment. So fill out everything and start the process. So I think it's actually a good idea to do this. I don't travel a lot, but those folks that do travel may want to look into this TSA Precheck, apply, and then bypass all these huge crowds. Hey, I hope this was helpful. I didn't really know about this until recently, so maybe you don't know about it. So check it out, and I will see you in the next video.